Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something compact, stylish, and loaded with charm. The all-new 2025 Fiat 600. This is Fiat's latest take on the modern small SUV, and it's more than just a cute city car. It represents Fiat's step into a new electric era while keeping the design rooted in Italian flair and urban practicality. So buckle up, because we're about to take an in-depth tour of everything this little beauty has to offer. Let's begin with the first impression, which of course comes from the exterior design. The 2025 Fiat 600 immediately catches your attention with a front end that's both playful and elegant. The circular LED headlights are a signature design feature, evoking a retro vibe while being entirely modern in execution. They're complemented by a clean and minimal grille, which is almost entirely closed off, a typical feature in EVs, helping with aerodynamics. Fiat's new logo sits confidently in the center, and below it, a neatly integrated lower intake gives it a slightly sporty edge. The front bumper also features a contrasting trim option, adding a bit of flair to the lower half of the car. Moving along the side, the Fiat 600 has compact proportions, yet it doesn't feel too small. The wheel arches are slightly pronounced, giving it a more rugged crossover look, while the sculpted door panels create a sense of motion even at a standstill. You can choose from a selection of playful colors, including pastel tones that really make the car pop on the road. The blacked-out B-pillars and optional two-tone roof treatment add to the overall upscale look. It rides on 18-inch wheels that fit the body just right, neither too flashy nor too plain. At the rear, the 600 continues its charming aesthetic. The tail lamps are compact and feature a split design with a circular LED signature, mirroring the front-end look. There's a large Fiat badge stretched across the center of the tailgate, sitting just above the handle. The bumper is simple and clean, integrating sensors and a rear camera subtly without disrupting the design. Overall, the back end is rounded, soft, and very approachable, just like the rest of the vehicle. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that feels modern, intuitive, and surprisingly spacious given the car's compact footprint. Fiat has done a great job balancing style with function. The dashboard features a large circular digital display in front of the driver, reminiscent of classic speedometers, but fully digital and customizable. At the center sits a 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen that supports wireless Apple, CarPlay and Android Auto, with smooth graphics and an intuitive UI. Beneath it, you get a set of physical buttons for climate control, which is a welcome feature for those who still prefer tactile feedback. The materials inside are a blend of eco-conscious fabrics and soft plastics, with nice color contrast depending on the trim you pick. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, the 2025 Fiat 600 is fully electric. It features a 54 kWh battery pack paired with a single electric motor delivering around 154 horsepower and 260 Nm of torque. It's not going to blow your mind with speed, but it's perfect for city driving, quick takeoffs at traffic lights, and smooth cruising on highways. The range is estimated at about 250 to 270 miles on a full charge under WLTP standards, which puts it comfortably in the competitive range of small electric crossovers. It supports fast charging up to 100 kWh, meaning you can go from 20 to 80% in about half an hour. Perfect for quick top-ups during a lunch stop. The ride quality is soft and forgiving, with suspension tuned more for comfort than sport. Steering is light, making it easy to maneuver in tight city corners or parking spots. It's whisper quiet thanks to the electric powertrain, and Fiat has even added an artificial sound to alert pedestrians. A little melody that fits the car's personality. As for pricing, the 2025 Fiat 600 is expected to start at around $34,000 for the base version, going up to around $39,000 for the higher trims with additional tech and aesthetic packages. This makes it one of the more affordable electric crossovers on the market, especially when you factor in potential EV tax credits in certain regions. You get a lot of features standard, including the full suite of driver assist systems like adaptive cruise control, lane centering, emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. So what do we think? If you're looking for an electric crossover that blends style, personality, and urban practicality, the Fiat 600 should definitely be on your list. It's not trying to be the fastest or the most luxurious, but it nails what it sets out to do: provide a fun, comfortable, and efficient urban driving experience. It's ideal for singles, couples, or small families who want something different from the usual SUV crowd. Something with Italian character and a modern soul. If there's one area for improvement, it might be the rear seat space and cargo volume, which are a bit limited compared to larger rivals. But let's be honest, this car is all about compact convenience and charm. If you want a small SUV that feels like a fashion accessory, but still delivers on practicality and performance, the 2025 Fiat 600 is a brilliant contender. Thanks for watching this detailed review of the 2025 Fiat 600. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you consider going electric with something like this? Let me know what you think. And stay tuned for more car reviews, tests, drives, and comparisons coming your way. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.